How to properly truncate a float/decimal to a specific place after the decimal in Python. In Python 2.7.3, this is a current behavior. Same appears to be true for decimals. I would have expected truncation, however, it appears to round. So my options to truncating to the tens place? FYI I ask because my current solution seems hacky, but maybe it's the best practice? As it make a string of the result, finds the period and simply finds x digits after the period that I want.
So my options to truncating to the tenths place? The decimal.quantize method rounds a number to a fixed exponent and it provides control over the rounding mode. Don't use math.floor on decimal values because it first coerces them to a binary float, introducing representation error and lost precision.
You are looking for the math.floor function instead.
Multiply by 10, then floor the value. In some language.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.